footage from Australia scrapyard. Enerpat mobile car baler solves stockpile trouble. Whole car loaded into compaction chamber. Continuous hydraulic press. Solid metal bales auto eject. Heavy reinforced body for non-stop operation. No civil construction saves factory investment. Fast cross-yard transfer. Verified by numerous Australian clients. Contact for specs and quotation.